Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize sources and citations in Notion step by step. Start by clicking GTD Dashboard in the left sidebar to open a new page where you'll build your database. The page opens blank and ready for you to set up your custom structure. Type Citation Tracker into the page title field at the top to name your database. The title appears at the top of the page as you type. Click on the Name column header to open the column menu. A drop-down appears with options to rename, change property type, and manage the column. Type title into the column name field, and that replaces the default name heading. The column header updates immediately to show title. Now click on the Tasks column header to open its menu. The same drop-down appears with renaming and property options. Type author into the column name field. Your database now has two custom properties for tracking source details. The Tasks column header updates to author across the whole table. Click into the first cell under title. The cell becomes active and a cursor appears, ready for you to type your first entry. Type the selfish gene. This is your first source entry. The text fills the cell and creates your first row of citation data. Click into the author cell in the same row. The cell activates, and you can now add the author information for this source. Type Richard into the author field. You can add a full name or just a last name depending on your citation style. The author field updates, and your first citation row now has both title and author recorded. Click the plus button at the top of the table to add another property column, and a property type menu opens with options like text, number, select, date, multi-select, and several others for different data types. Click text, and a new column is added to your database where you can track additional details like year, source type, or notes. The column appears immediately to the right of author. With a default name you can customize the same way. You can add as many property columns as you need. Year and source type are useful for sorting academic references, and a URL property lets you link directly to online sources. If you need to rename a column later, just click the header again and type the new name. To filter your sources, click the three dots at the top right of the database and choose Filter to show only books, articles, or sources from a specific year. That's everything you need to build a citation tracker in Notion. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.